In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my orders on Fits Eye. To get started, open the Fits app on your phone. Once the app launches, sign into your account using your usual login details. After that, head to your profile or wardrobe section. This is where your saved clothing items and account-related tools are usually organized, so it's the right place to begin if you want to review purchases connected to your wardrobe. Next, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. From there, choose Add Clothes. This option lets you bring new items into your wardrobe, including items that come from your shopping history. Once you're in that area, select Import. This is the section that gives you access to the receipt and order import features inside Fits. After that, choose Forward Receipts. Fits will provide a unique email address linked to your account. For privacy and security, I'm not showing any personal email information here, but the idea is simple. You can forward your online shopping order confirmation emails to that account-specific Fits address. This helps the app pull in clothing purchases directly from your receipts, instead of entering everything manually. Once the receipt is processed, Fits will detect the clothing items included in that order confirmation. In many cases, it can also identify useful purchase details, such as the item link, the price, and the purchase date. This makes it much easier to keep track of what you bought and when, especially if you shop online often and want your wardrobe to stay organized. Before you finish importing, take a moment to review the detected items carefully. If there's anything from the order that you ended up returning or didn't keep, simply deselect that item before moving forward. This is a helpful step because it keeps your wardrobe accurate and prevents unwanted items from being added. When everything looks correct, tap Import to confirm the items you want to add to your wardrobe. Fits will then save those selected purchases to your account. Finally, if you want to check the purchase information for a specific order item, open that imported clothing piece inside your wardrobe. You should be able to review the saved purchase date, price, and any other available details that Fits captured from the receipt. This is the easiest way to check your order information inside the app after it has been imported. And that's it. That's how you check your orders on Fits AI, by importing your receipts and reviewing the saved purchase details in your wardrobe.